Welcome to 4th of July, everyone. I'm here with my brother. Say hi. Mountain Dew here. Uncle. My mother. There's my mother. And there's my aunt. Say hi. They're going on Facebook. She's gonna go. You're gonna go on Facebook later. You will too. Jay will also. I'm lonely. These are all done by professionals. They're pretty. That's all we got. Ooh, I like those fireworks. I also learned the smaller the firework, the bigger the boom is. Ooh, that was a loud one. I'm pretty sure they have red, white, and blue ones too. There's a bunch of pretty ones. I've never seen that one before. The cars are starting to go slower. You guys having fun watching this? Okay. Oh, that had a little heart in it. Did you see that? Making little shapes in it. Oh. Look how big they are. America! Someone put in a I might edit in a little eagle screech there. That was. Ooh. Whoa. You can hear that. Whoa. That's gonna be big. Wow. Oh, that's gonna be loud. No, it's not. Ooh. Oh, that's gonna be loud. Whoa. Wow. Yeah, the sparkle ones make a satisfying noise after it booms. Whoa, that's a big one. I like the red ones. Heck yes. Look at all that. was a bright one. Kind of lit up the sky a little bit. Oh, that was a loud one. Oh, I'm not even capturing it. That's great. That's what you'd like to see. I'm trying to watch the fireworks show with my eyes while trying to film it. And trying not to look through the camera to see it. Because I actually want to see the show and not look at it through the camera. Woohoo! See all that? I'm almost out of Mountain Dew. No. That's good. That's fine. Yeah, don't capture anything. Alright. This is the best. That was a nice one. Ooh. Yo, I thought most of the fireworks would be blocked by the trees, so you wouldn't see much. They're the same. They're where they were before. This one looks so much more professional. It's gonna hit the cars. Oh no. Oh, loud. He's I like that one. Ooh, I like it when they all break apart. It's very satisfying to me. Ah. Oh, that's my favorite one right now. I knew that one was gonna be loud. Here comes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A bunch. Oh, that's a big one. Look at them. It's amazing. Oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa.